Hey guys, we're going to be doing a farting challenge with slime. So
and whoever does it first, then they get some candy.
No, they get 1 point because we don't need candy because we're at a birthday party and we're about to hit the piñata. So
you're gonna want to use this to get if you want to make farting sounds, or you can use a container.
Okay, so they got stuck to my fingers. Ew!
I made a funny sound.
I get a point.
Okay, now my turn. Okay, so you can use a container like this. So I'm gonna use this. Get it off. Okay. And
It's gonna get stuck to your pants.
Okay. Yeah. And so this is how it looks. And I'm going to make a farting sound. So if you want to make a farting sound, I've been doing this for a long time with my aunt slime. Shut up. Okay, and so you have to let it be flat, and then and then you're gonna want to let it stay there for a little while
until it has bubbles. Oh my god!
Yes.
That was my cousin, and it.
Okay, now here we go. Let's make farting noise.
What the heck? Okay, my turn.
Wobble wobble.
Okay. Let's see.
Here.
Okay, I'm going to do what she did, but different. She doesn't know how to make slime. No, I heard you.
What did you say? What did I say?
You said she doesn't know how to make slime.
I said she does know how to make slime.
Know how to make slime, and she's really good at making it when I'm around too. I didn't say anything bad to you. Hey kids.
Does this phone even save?
What are you looking at?
What are you looking at?
Another day, another drama. Before me. Let's scare them. I dare you to scare them.
Here's slime.
Let's scare them.
Here, get the slime. I'm leaving it right there. Here, get the slime. Come on, they might like us. Come on, let's go out there and then let's show off. Okay, this